We begin by opening the 3D view, and we can go to the application button or file. We click on export NWC. You need to have the NWC utility installed. I will add a link for it, so make sure it's installed on your Revit. We click on export NWC. It will prompt us that it will save the NWC file with this extension. We can save any other extension. It should be Navisworks cache, as I explained early in this course. In this folder, that's okay. That's where the Revit file is saved. There's an important thing you need to notice is the Navisworks settings. We click on it, and that's the same options on Navisworks. It's here in Revit. It's inside file readers Revit. It prompts us what are the things to convert to Navisworks. We want to convert construction parts. We don't have any construction parts that make a part or a component that you want to be converted to Navisworks. We don't have that here. Convert element IDs. Of course, we want the element IDs into Navisworks. Convert element parameters. Yes, that's what we are going to. The element parameters, especially the task ID. You can select all, or you can select none, or you can select elements only, not the types, parameters, or anything. We want this all. Convert element properties, of course. Convert lights, we don't need this because we don't have any lighting system or anything. Convert linked CAD formats, no, we don't want any CAD here. Also the convert linked files, we don't want this. Convert room as attributes, we don't need it for this specific task. Convert URLs, we don't have any URLs in this model. The coordinates according to your project, whether it's a shared coordinate or project internal. I'll keep it here project internal because it doesn't matter in this project. Divide file into levels, yes, we want this, so we will keep it checked. Export what? The entire project. You can export the entire project or the current view that you have open, or the selection if you have some elements selected. Here we will select to export the entire project. Export room geometry. No, we don't want the room geometry. We don't have any rooms in this project. The faceting factor, it's a factor related to the round pipes or conduits in general that would be in a MAP project. We can keep this factor at 10. We don't have any round elements in this project. It's more concerned with MAP projects. The last option is try and find missing materials. We won't use Navisworks for rendering, so we don't care about the materials, and we click OK. And this now it would save the NWC Navisworks cache in this location. You click save, and it will export our model. Now the export has been done. See you in the next lesson.